OOP's concepts in Java, basics, characteristics, and its examples. Object-oriented programming, or OOPs, was implemented with the restrictions dealt with in earlier programming approaches. To really understand object-oriented programming language, OOPs, concepts, and their methodology, understanding the traditional limitations and disadvantages put on a programming language is vital. In the first place, OOPs came into the picture to resolve the restrictions in the operation analysis like maintenance and durability to programming. The elemental aim of OOPs is to put together both the data and the functions that use these data as a source into a sole unit. This single unit has a number of entities called objects. Data and functions assemble around the objects, and the objects are identified by a user doing the tasks allocated. Objects communicate through that particular function. This is done so that only that particular function can approach and no other code. It aims to bring data close to functions associated with the object and to safeguard it from accidental modifications from external issues. This article deals with pure OOP's concepts with their basic principles and briefly characterizes them in general. What are 4 pillars of Java OOP's concepts? OOP's object-oriented programming system is a programming concept. It is a core of Java programming used to design programming using classes and objects. The OOP's concepts in Java are built on the 4 main principles. Encapsulation. It binds data and operations that work on data together in a construct. Abstraction. It is a process that displays only essential information. Inheritance. It defines relationships among classes. Polymorphism. This utilizes a function in multiple different forms. Poly means many, and morphism means forms. It also relies on the other 3 concepts of association, aggregation, and composition. Our blog on OOP's interview questions and answers provides all the important OOP's interview questions and answers to help you begin your journey in this sphere. Basic OOP's concepts with examples. The basic Java OOP's concepts in general includes 1. Class. The class is the first basic OOP's concepts, which is a group of the same entities. Class is a logical component and not a physical entity. For example, if there is a class as branded shoes, the objects can be Burberry, Stuart Weitzman, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and more. The properties or data of the class can be brands, unique pieces, or prices of these shoes. The methods that may be performed with these shoes are global size standards, unique materials or features, comfort, signature, and style. Class declaration also has some elements. We have discussed them here. Modifiers. By default, a class can be accessed, yet it can also be public. Class name. The convention is to start the name of a class with a capital letter. Body. The braces are used to enclose the class body. 2. Objects. An object is a real-world thing. It is a basic unit of OOP that can be physical or conceptual. An object in object-oriented programming is a class instance that can be physical or conceptual. It also has a state and behavior. Along with this, the information and function that operate on the data. For example, let us consider conceptual and physical objects. This can be bikes, physical, and institutes, conceptual. Other examples include tables and chairs, even glass, trucks, cars, engines, and more. An object mainly consists of state, behavior, identity, method. 3. Inheritance. Inheritance is another of the basic OOP's concepts in Java and the most powerful feature, in which one class shares structure and behavior defined in one or more classes. The medium of obtaining a new class from an old class is defined as inheritance or derivation. It is the relationship among the classes. The old class is the base class. The new class is called the subclass derived. An OOP example: a family of 4 members having a father, mother, son, and daughter. The father and mother parents were taken as the base class. The son and daughter, children, as a subclass. The subclass's children will often inherit features derived from both the base class parents, with better versions of inheritance. Similarly, OOP, with the use of effective inheritance, can reduce errors and save time in programming. This, thus, will result in quality work and productivity. Another example: Java and C# are OOP's languages that do not support multiple inheritances through classes. The different types of inheritance that are supported by Java. Java inheritance types. Single inheritance. Multilevel inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.